The Center for Rapid Prototyping and Manufacturing at the Central University of Technology in the Free State is a world-class center that specializes in additive manufacturing. The CRPM provides industry with limited run production for testing and marketing purposes, while the final manufacturing processes are being developed. The CRPM manufactures prototypes in plastics, metal and sand. 10 additive manufacturing machines are currently available at the CRPM, which makes it one of the best equipped additive manufacturing centers of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere. The CRPM employs metal laser sintering technology to manufacture prostheses directly from titanium powder. The additive manufacturing process starts off with a 3D computer-aided design model. This CAD model is imported into Magix, a platform preparation software. The model data is then exported as a slice file to the additive manufacturing machine, where the model is fabricated in a layer-by-layer process according to each consecutive virtual slice. Medical implants can be produced directly in biocompatible titanium on the EOS direct metal laser sintering machine. After the model has been completed, all the surrounding material is cleaned off. Now the model is ready to be shipped off to the customer.